Yes, I did probably the biggest mistake in my trading career for now, and it has something to do with the $5 million pepper trade which I had. But I will speak first about Bitcoin because a lot of people saying, okay, this is the reversal to the upside. I would be still cautious, to be honest, because the price target for the symmetrical triangle is still at 80k or 89k, and we have a lot of liquidity still down here, down below. You see also the ratio between the long and short position is still there. Are still more long position to liquidate here to 88k. Over $10 billion position in position size could be liquidated. And we see as well, we have here still liquidity at 90k. Obviously, we have a lot of liquidity here above 100k, so we could see maybe a fake out to 98,500. I don't know, but I would be cautious. I tweeted already. I'm getting bullish. The most bullish case is if we are closing clear candles above the both resistance lines, above this line and above this line, so around 100k with the clear 4-hourly candles. Another more risky way is to watch here this 98k area and several 4-hourly candles closing above. This is a nice confirmation for reversal. I would wait, especially because we have the CPI coming out today, and the forecast, it will be 2.7% higher than the previous one, which is bad news because they want to drop it, obviously. And also we see, because of the forecast, the S&P 500 is dropping. What I could imagine, either it comes as 2.7, or if it comes lower, then we see massive dump. So this could cause the dump to 89k. If it comes positive, if it comes higher than expected, then we will see pump in the market. Like I said, I would be cautious. I would wait until a clear confirmation. We are clear, in my opinion, closer to the bottom. So from here on, there's only like 10% dump left, in my opinion. This will be the local bottom before in January we see bigger dump. But this is, in my opinion, the local bottom, 88k. I would wait here still. I would wait. I have some positions open here. I am an iOS Beam Link, all of them in a loss. And I am an Aptos Velo XDC. XDC is in profits because there's rumors it will be soon listed on Binance. However, I made so much margin, so I probably will not get liquidated here on this position. Here I have also some NMR and UTK still. They're in profits right now. So I will be in this position, but I wait until I will open new positions. We see that the USDT dominance is retesting the massive support here, which we had here. You see it was a massive support, and we broke it down. It means people start to switch from USDC into crypto projects, but now with this retest, they went out of crypto projects back into USDT. And this is the moment, as soon as we're bouncing back on this resistance line, we will see the USDT dominance will fall and people are buying again with their USDT crypto projects. So this is important, especially to watch this 3.7% line. As soon as we break it down, we know we are going in a crazy bull run again. So the bull run is for sure not over. The total crypto market cap, what I'm watching here is we are retesting 0786 Fibonacci. We could retest 0618. And you saw how crazy altcoins can dump. So 0618, we could retest here with this last dump. Usually, as I told you, we see a very quick dump, as you saw 2 days ago, 1 day ago, and then a massive pump. So crazy dump and so crazy pump, so that you barely can either sell or buy in. Therefore, you have to prepare limit orders to buy in to the pump. But be careful, as I said, obviously there's a risk we could go down to 80k. Would be the next. So one is at 90k support line, one is at 80k, and the next one, big one, is at 69k. So these are the 3 support lines, but I don't think that we are breaking below 89k, especially we have on Sunday a full moon, and this way we see usually a pump. And you see, as always, when this shitty new moon coming in, we see this dumps happening. You see, boom, dump. It's It's crazy how this always working. Anyways, that's on Bitcoin. And we see a lot of liquidity here still also down there. So just be careful. In my opinion, you have to be careful. There's still a lot of liquidity down to 90K. I showed you on the other chart, but I show you also here. You see they liquidate how perfectly, but they didn't liquidate here to 85K, 88K. So I could imagine we see one more wick down below. So I stay cautious, and the big mistake I did, I had a $5 million position, which was over $1.3 million in profits when we've been here around this area on Pepper. And what happened, it's crazy. It's really hurting me to speak about it, but we saw this dump happen. And the crazy thing was, I had my strategy. You know my strategy. I always tell you about my strategy. And instead of sticking to my strategy, I didn't make the post about it because I didn't want that somebody is acting like me, stupid. And I got fear. I was sitting in the chart and sold here approximately with 500 or 400K in profits. Then I got panic in that we see again a pump. I bought here in again. So I was again in profits, and I waking up in the morning and see we are dumping. We are here approximately exactly this red candle. So we see this. I'm waking up with this red candle again with, I don't know, $5 million, $6 million in a long position. My liquidation price moved up to 1.8 approximately, and I getting scared that we see this dump happen to 1.8. So I'm starting to panicking, selling here with $800,000 in a loss. So $400,000 I'm all in loss, because here I'm closed at $400,000 in profits, and here $800,000 in a loss. So $400,000 in a loss. My position, which was initially here 1.3 million in profit. Can you imagine how stupid it is? Yeah, now I just watching what Pepper is doing. I still don't expect that Pepper will dump below 1.5 or 1.4. There could be obviously happening. It could happen, but the probability that we're dumping below 1.5 or 1.4, I don't think it will happen. But yeah, this is hurting me extremely. I went again in a $1.4 million trade here and exit again here with 10K in profits, like a small trade, because still it's looking too weak, and I'm expecting here Pepper probably could retest here this 2.0, 2.05 support lines. As you see it here, it's a massive support. This is maybe where I'm watching again to get into position. Because it's looking still weak. You see higher lows and lower lows, so it looks like it's further dumping, and especially with Bitcoin I'm expecting to dump. I could imagine that also Pepper will see dump to 2.0 or 1.99. This is also where a lot of liquidity lies. If not, if we are breaking here clearly, if Bitcoin clearly breaking above, because Pepper is very sensitive to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin starts to pump, Pepper still will go to the moon. Still, my price targets is the first price target 375. The next one will be 475, and to be honest, the most probable scenario is that we will likely hit something about 0.5. I'm expecting to hit, and I'm still expecting that we will flip Shiba Inu within the next like 5-6 days. It will be crazy. The altcoin season will be crazier than you can imagine. It will be crazier than what you saw before, because we had already massive shakeout, and I'm preparing right now for new positions. I have made a list with positions where I want to jump in. There are some on the list. I can just tell you which could be very nice. I'm watching which dip the most, but which have the potential to pump also the most. And where I not get liquidated if I go only by small leverage trade by 2x leverage. 3x could be even dangerous, but 2x, and this is something like Aptos, where I'm already in, Cadena, Renda, Injective, IO, UMA, CKB, STX, W could be pump like crazy. FET, we know FET performed amazingly. Then we have VET with VET, LDO because of Ethereum, Atom, Rune. Yeah, these are the coins where I'm closely watching. Obviously, we have iOS. iOS were already in a position, and iOS could pump heavily. XDC I'm watching closely. XDC because of the Binance listing. But what I'm watching also Ondo and Gala. This is also like which I'm watching very, very closely. But I will update you on this if I'm entering new positions here. And if you do leverage trading, if you're professional like me. Oh my god, bro, this was so stupid. Yeah, it's hurting still, but I have to concentrate right now on the new positions. You can get up to $8,000 or $30,000 on BYBIT, BitGet, and $5,500 on BitUnix. BitUnix is a non-KYC exchange. You don't have to provide your identity, and you can do leverage trading only, as I told you, for professionals, because as you saw, you could get easy liquidated. And the nice thing is you're supporting me. If you're trading through my affiliate link, a small percentage goes to me from your trading fees, which goes anyways to the exchange, but you get also this money bonuses you can get. And on BYBIT, for example, you get 0% trading fee for 30 days on your future limit orders, which is amazing because you save a lot of money if you're trading often. Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you and I see you later. Mwah.